Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're wondering whether to use Whop or Stripe for your online business or project, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be discussing Whop versus Stripe and which one is better for you. So let's get right into it. First up, Whop is an all-in-one digital platform. It is designed for product sales, subscriptions, and customer management. It allows creators and businesses to start up a simple storefront and sell digital products and manage their audience. So, uh, it is great for anyone who is looking to run an online business without worrying too much about complex technical setups. And if you compare it with the Stripe is a payment processing platform. It is used by business of all sizes to accept online payments securely. Whether you're processing one-time payment, subscriptions, or international transactions, Stripe is one of the most powerful, flexible solutions out there. So let's compare on the key features of them. Stripe focuses on payment processing. It allows businesses to accept payments globally, handle subscriptions, and easily integrate with other platforms. While it doesn't provide the product management or community features of Whop, it excels at payment flexibility and global coverage. So if we talk about Whop, as I have said, it offers digital product sales and customer engagement tools, and its built-in speciality specifically for creators and small business looking to sell and manage their products with minimal hassle. So, if you talk about the ease of use, Whop is designed for simplicity, making it easy to set up a digital storefront and also start selling right away. So you don't need any technical experience to start using it. Stripe, on the other hand, is a bit more complex, especially if you want to customize your payment system. You'll need some technical knowledge or a developer or fully integrate Stripe into your website or app. While it's highly flexible, it does come with a steeper learning curve for beginners. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing both of these and helpful for you to deciding which one is better for you. Thank you so much for watching.